There are several reasons behind the fame of Gazipur's Belai Beel, also known as Belai Beel, and the skyrocketing demand for fish here. Below are detailed information and catchy titles and hashtags for your drone video. Reasons for Belai Beel's fame. 1. Historical importance. There was no Beel here about 400 years ago. Due to the change in the flow of the Chalai River, it turned into a huge wetland. This vastness and the natural environment surrounding the villages fascinate tourists. 2. Natural balance. It is spread over an area of about 50 square kilometers of Gazipur. During the rainy season, it takes the form of an ocean, which looks very beautiful in drone shots. 3. Biodiversity. The Beel is a huge storehouse of indigenous fish. About 40 to 50 species of indigenous fish are found here, which are rare in the present day. 4. Travel and entertainment. It is a popular tourist destination due to its proximity to Dhaka. Enjoying the beauty of the Beel by boat and eating fresh fish cooked at the hotels on the banks of the Beel is very attractive to people. Why is the price of fish high and why do buyers buy it? Completely indigenous and natural. The fish of the Belai Beel grows completely naturally in the crowd of farmed fish. Its taste and nutritional value are many times higher than that of farmed fish. Guaranteed freshness. Fishermen catch fish from the Beel and supply it directly to the local market or to the hotels on the banks of the Beel. People come from far and wide for fresh fish. Endangered species. Some indigenous species like foli, gutum, pobda, baim, shing, and magorfish are found in the Beel, which are not easily found in the general market. Due to their scarcity, their prices are high. Chemical-free. The fish of this Beel is grown without any artificial food or hormones, which is safe for health. Therefore, conscious buyers choose this fish even though the price is high.